Manual handling created gaps in the chain of custody, making digital evidence easy to tamper with and impossible to trust.
Every single day, millions of digital evidence files are crime scene photographs, CCTV footage, confidential documents, behind every file. But digital evidence rarely stays in one place. It moves across investigators, departments, storage systems, emails, hard drives, changing hands many times before it is ever presented in court. With every transfer comes uncertainty. Was the file copied correctly? Was it accidentally overwritten? Was it modified? Can anyone truly prove that this evidence is exactly the same as the day it was collected?
Now that we have seen the problem, let us go and understand what the product Evidentia actually is. So let's understand the solution that we have built. This is Evidentia, our blockchain-powered digital evidence management platform. And as you can see, we have documented the complete architecture from the front end to the back end, and as well as the Polygon deployment of the contract for the blockchain integration. Every upload is hashed locally, anchored on-chain, and continuously verified to guarantee an immutable chain of custody. We have also integrated the AI, which will be helping to analyze and keep a hold or a record of the changes in the evidence if founded. The system topology diagram. In this section, we explain how Evidentia guarantees the privacy without actually sacrificing the trust, and which is the main basis of making this product. Instead of storing the sensitive evidence on a public blockchain, we only store it as an SSA256 cryptographic hash. During verification, the system compares three independent fingerprints: the hash generated from the uploaded file, the hash stored in a secure database, and the immutable hash on the blockchain. Now, let us know how the actual core code verification works. This is the actual backend implementation powering Evidentia. Whenever evidence is submitted, the Express server first defines the structured forensic prompt. Then the AI's execution plan using a cryptographic intent token is created before Gemini actually performs any analysis. The AI restricted to return only validated JSON, preventing prompt injections or unauthorized outputs. We can see it's an evidence vault, and here is the login page of the same. We'll go ahead and type in. Once the authorization has been done, as we can see, we have already stored some of the evidences. We'll first go and click on the financial ledger. Once, if we are exploring the evidence, we could see that these evidences has been already checked using the Parikshak AI, and the risk index is very low since this is an actual evidence. Here, you can scan the QR code to verify the authenticity of the product, as well as you can go ahead and check the upload date of it and the file hash and the case association, that is how many cases is being linked to this evidence. Now, if the officer wants to show this to the judge or any different officer, then what the admin can do is to share this secure link. Once clicked, this link will be copied. And suppose we go ahead to an incognito mode, secure link. This is the public access verified report of the evidence that can be shared to the judge directly, wherein even the judge can see the AI's summary and the forensic observations, as well as the blockchain ledger for the judge to verify if he wants to. However, this will be clearly shown as it is blockchain verified, and hence the evidence will prove itself. Now, if we head back to Evidentia, we can see there are 6 verified records which can be verified once again. Suppose we want to go ahead and click on the same financial ledger, and we go ahead and click on initialize verification. This is the exact timeline when the verification is being done. Record not found. Every important decision begins with a digital file. Instead of changing how the organizations work, Evidentia becomes a part of their existing flow, protecting every file from very first moment it is created. What once required lengthy manual verification can now be confirmed instantly, allowing the organizations to spend less time validating information and more time making confident decisions. The journey starts with one organization, grows through trusted partnerships, and scales across connected institutions, bringing the verified digital trust wherever information needs to move.